Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a pocket letter process video with you guys. You can see that I already have made the shaker pocket off screen. I just used a clear acetate piece from the Snow and Cocoa collection and then added some paper cake sequins in here, and I think it is super cute and will definitely go with the whole theme of the pocket letter. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys in and we'll get started on creating the cards. So for the top row of cards, I'm going to be using these three patterns. These are from the 6x6 paper pad from the Snow and Cocoa collection. And I did go ahead and cut down all the papers just to make things here in the video a little bit quicker and a little bit easier. I did also pull a bunch of washi tapes. So I've got all of the Snow and Cocoa collection washi tapes here, as well as this white glittery one that I got from Target. So I'm going to be using these, as well as some of the cardstock stickers, these snowflake stickers from my stash, and the chipboard stickers set. I might also use some die cuts and things as well, but let's go ahead and get started. So I think for this first card, I want to use this die cut here. And then for these, I kind of have a plan of using this die cut from the collection, as well as this little snowflake, and this little tag is super duper cute, so I want to use that too. So I am going to set this aside, that way I don't accidentally put it on here when I don't want it to be on here. So let's see, I do want some washi tapes though, maybe some of this blue. Alright, so this guy will go like right here. I'm thinking of putting some washi tape kind of behind him, just kind of peeking out from behind. I think that would be kind of cute. Like that. And then I'll go ahead and adhere him down with some of my favorite, one of my favorite Tombow adhesives. It's the Permanent Plus one. Put him like that. And then what I think I'm actually going to do is use some of this white glitter washi tape, but trim it down so it's really thin. I have done that before. You just cut a little piece like that, and then you just snip really thin little strips of it. This also helps you save some washi tape, so you don't have to use big pieces of it. You can use a bunch of smaller ones and kind of make it stretch a little bit more. So I think we'll do something like that. Maybe down there. Super cute. I'm gonna set these aside. Alright, so I've got that guy right there. And I think I'm gonna put like all the die cuts on and then maybe go back in with the stickers, just to kind of keep things easy for myself. So I'm just going to kind of place this here and then kind of decide where I want these guys to go. I would love this to be on the outside too, but I don't think that will work. That's kind of cute. So why don't we do something like that? Okay, and this one can go up here. So I'm using the Snow and Cocoa collection because my pen pal seems like she would really enjoy receiving a pocket letter made using these things. So I like to make things that I think people will like. So that's why I'm going for it. Also, I just really like the Snow and Cocoa collection. I did purchase it digitally last year, but I went ahead and purchased the physical products this year because I thought that'd be really nice to have for crafting and things. Plus it all goes with the album that I'm using for December Daily this year. Alright, so I've got these basic cards done. I will come back and kind of add some stuff to them. So for the middle row, I've got these. And I have a blank brown one, and remember the shaker pocket will be right here in the middle. So I was thinking maybe I could use some chipboard over here. I was kind of thinking of doing something with this pink snowflake. I'm not sure what. I think that'd be kind of cute, so why don't we do that? So you guys will have to let me know how you like this pocket letter and which pocket is your favorite. You know I love to know what you guys think, the things I make. Plus it also helps me know, you know, what kind of videos you guys want to see or not see. So definitely let me know down below in the comments if you enjoy pocket letters. I know that I really love making them. They're a lot of fun. And yeah, I enjoy them a lot. I feel like this is really big though, and I know that there are some smaller stickers. Maybe I will move over to a sticker instead, just to kind of, that's like really small. I think I'm just gonna trim it down a little bit. So it looks like it's like 1.5 inches. So I'll just take a little bit off of each side, maybe something like that, and then I can trim it down a little bit on the top too, just to kind of get it the size that I actually want it, because I don't want to cover up this really beautiful snowflake I also don't want it to be teeny tiny either. That will work nicely. And then like I said, I'll come back and work on that one a little bit. And then I need to figure out something for this card right here. So remembering that I have, you know, this dude here, and then this is kind of how this will be on there. So I need something here. Maybe we can get kind of creative with this sticker. Let's see what we can do. That would be kind of cute. We can make like a little word background for these. I'll have to use some like liquid glue probably. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. So I've got adventure. So I've got the washi tape on there. So now I'm going to go ahead and use some liquid adhesive. And this is the Tombow Mono Multi. It is this kind. I just put it in a small precision point applicator. It's just what I prefer. Okay, and then adventure. You don't need very much of this adhesive. It does a really good job of sticking. So adventure kind of goes from one side to the other, which is fine. And I love these stickers. They remind me so much of my Dymo label maker. So that's really fun. All right, so we have this card going, and then I was thinking maybe I could put like a little bird guy on there or something. I think that'd be really cute and kind of different. And it's a smaller animal, so it like won't stick out too much. Or I could do, these would be really fun, the little mittens. Let's see how those look. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, I like the mittens. Let's do those. Okay, so I've got these kind of figured out. So I'm gonna move that aside and then pull over the next kind of plans that I've got here. So as you can see, I kind of situated some ideas for myself just to get things kind of, the juices flowing, if you will. So for this one, I want the tag to be removable. So I'm going to make the mountains into like a little tuck spot. And I'm just going to put some of this washi on here. And then just put the adhesive just on the sides so that this can just kind of tuck in there like so. And then my pen pal can remove it and use it if she wants. Or leave it there if she wants, it's fine too. I think that's really cute like that. And I could put some twine on there too. So I do have this pink and white twine, so maybe I will go ahead and add just a little bit of that, just for a little bit of texture and fun. All right, so there's just like a little bit of something going on there. I think that'll be really cute, kind of sticking out of that pocket. And I might actually add a little bit to this one too, just so things kind of match a little bit. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and get these going. So I have this really beautiful snowflake here, and the little corner of it here is a little messed up, so I'm gonna try maybe to get that off of the thing. Right. And then I think this one I'm just going to slide into the pocket because it is clear. I don't know, I could use some of my adhesive, so maybe I'll do that. All right, so I think I am going to just go ahead and add a little bit of adhesive. I'm going to use this precision applicator again, and then I'm going to set this aside so that the glue dries and gets clear. And then I'll place it on my card, because this glue, if it gets kind of smeary, it can get kind of messy and like a very sticky situation, and I don't want that. So I will set this aside to dry for just a minute. It will not take long since I used just a little bit. So that will go over there. Then I have this last card, and similar to how we kind of figured it out with this whole situation, I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm thinking for this one I want to use a chipboard something. So I have this guy, so I just need to figure out, you know, what I want to do. So maybe hello snow. Be kind of cute together. Maybe a little bit more washi tape, maybe some of the blue again. This last little bit of the sparkly. Really would like the tree to be like right there. I prefer not to cut it if I don't have to. Maybe something like that. I don't know, will that even fit in the pocket? That's the test. Yeah, it will. Okay, so maybe we'll do that, and maybe I can add a little something down here. You can do this little snowflake, and you can pop him under there. Okay, that little guy there, just to kind of fill in that space a little bit. So as you can see, this adhesive is pretty darn clear already. That did not take very long at all. So much fun. All right, so this is the basis of the pocket letter. Let's go ahead and decorate a little bit more. So I do have all of these stickers still, as well as these ones that I would really like to use some of. also have these really pretty ones. And then, as we all know, some of these too. So I'm thinking using some of these little snowflake guys. I'm just gonna zoom you guys out a little bit so you can kind of see the whole thing really start to come together. Something like that. And then it'll kind of stick out from behind a little bit. I think that'll be pretty cute. And then there's some chipboard kind of across from each other. I really like these little snowflake guys. I need something for here, but I'm not sure what I want to do. Maybe this one. And maybe like a snowflake, that'd be really pretty. There. This little star thing would be really cute. I think maybe that's good with these things, I think. All right, so can we use some of these little guys now? Yes, I think so. Maybe back here I can use a really big one. That'd be really pretty. Like that, okay. I think that looks good. Let's see if we can do any jummies. I mean, honestly, I kind of feel like I don't need the jummies. Is it just me? I feel like it's kind of okay without them. So why don't we just work with this? Go ahead and start putting some of these things in here and see what we can do. See if there's anything else that needs to be done. I don't think there will be though. Okay, so we've got that. And then I want to go ahead and add this on the front. Look, something like that. I might be able to move this little tag over just a little bit. Okay, I think that is really cute actually. All right, so let me go ahead and just do some washi on this side because I always do that. I'm thinking this black and white one would be nice. All right, so we got that there. And then on the back too. And then I will not be showing the goodies that I put into this because I think this person watches my videos and I'm not sure when this video will go up. And so I'd like to leave some bit of surprise. But if you're curious about things that I've put in pocket letters before, I have a whole playlist here on my channel called DIY Happy Mail Goodies, or Happy Mail Ideas, I think, where I show you all sorts of fun things that you can make to put into your pocket letters, and I have included all of those things in a pocket letter at one point or another. Also, in some of my pocket letter videos, I do share what I put in the pockets. It just kind of depends on which ones. But yeah, I think this is it for today's pocket letter. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you had fun kind of doing this real time with me. I think it turned out really cute and I hope that my pen pal really enjoys it. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!